Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve what is the factored form of x cube minus 8. So let's start with today's video solution. To find out the factor of x cube minus 8, I can write this 8 as 2 cube. Now I'm going to use a very famous identity, that is a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square to factorize the expression. So it becomes x minus 2 times x square plus x times 2 plus 2 square. So x minus 2 times x square plus 2x plus 2 square. So x minus 2 times x square plus 2x plus 4. So this is the factored form of x cube minus 8. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.